How to create a new Facebook page. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new Facebook page. So basically here I'm going to show you the full tutorial step by step to create a new Facebook page for your business purpose or any other related purpose. So here what you need to do here, first of all, make sure to subscribe to this channel so that I will be motivated and bring up more informative videos. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So let me just open my Facebook account, and here what you need to do here, you have to simply click on this icon here on the top. You can see you will find this type of icon. Simply tap here. After tapping here, if you're getting some group page icon, then it's good, and if you're not getting, then what you need to do, you have to click on these 3 days. After clicking to these 3 days, just scroll down here, and here you will find one option that is page. Okay, so just tap on this page, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do here, you have to simply tap on create. Okay, just you need to tap on create, and then here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. You just need to click on get start option. Okay, and here you can see what do you want to name this page. So let me just enter my YouTube channel name, tech. Okay, now click on next, and then here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. Here, what category best describe this page? So it you have to select the category, whatever it may be: personal, blog, beauty, camera, restaurant, video, or vlog, or anything. So let me just search for tech. Okay, sorry, tech, information technology and company. Okay, now click on next, and here you can see this helps people find and visit the location of random tech. So enter address or city, so you can just enter your city. Let me just enter this and click on this, right? Okay, and next, and you can see here add image to this page. So if you want to add a profile picture to your page, then just tap on this add profile picture, and then you can just randomly select one photo here. Okay, I will select this and click on save option on the top right corner, and then here you can see click on done, and you just need to wait for a while. And as you can see here, just click on continue, and then click on next, and you can edit your profile, invite friends, suggest group, and all. Okay, so as you can see here, I have successfully created the page, as you can see. So this is how you can create a new page on Facebook. Thanks for watching.